Hey, what's up guys? So Daniel's taking his first cast right now. We're at this pond suggested by Tryumph Max. Thank you for suggesting this pond. Y'all want? Ooh. Hey. Daniel just got one. You know, it's not big, but we get them done. Yeah, it's better than nothing. And we've only been here for like 5 minutes, so.
And I called it.
What a beaut. What a beaut.
That's the thing that ate my frog.
Probably. Hey! I didn't actually think that was a fish. Better not lose him on the chatterbait. First fish of the day for me, if I land him. Come on, come on, come on. Hey! Landed him. That's all that matters. This is what happens when your John boat leaks. Fish can swim in your boat.
Sorry, is that a live well?
Yeah, it's a live well. But yeah, this chunker right here, thank you for not letting me get skunked. I really appreciate it. It's been tough out here, but the chatterbait got her done. What a beaut. What a beaut. There she goes. There we go. Oh yeah, content baby, content.
You're gonna keep that in there.
Pulling out absolute giants. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. 2 videos in a row. Almost 2 videos. Well, pretty much 2 fishing trips, almost. I just keep catching ones like this size. They're like
Fix your drag on that.
5 inches long.
Your drag shouldn't be going
No,
on
that's
that.
not my drag, I don't think. I think it's just like, because,
If you lose another fish,
yeah, that'd be sad. But Larry over here is looking huge and beautiful today, so we'll let him go. I mean, we would let him go anyways, but just wanted to let him know before we let him go. Absolutely lighting him up. It's good.
this is not the white one.
I know. Oh, Daniel just got one on the frog. Hey.
Come on, dude.
He'll stay on. He'll stay on. There we go.
Here's your 2-pounder. Not even.
Almost.
You're. Popped right out.
Small booyah frog.
Yeah.
There we go.
We're doing it.
We're up to 4. Nice.
That was so cool.
What's up? Got one. Got one. I don't know. It's stuck. Nah, we're chilling. It's not good. There we go, though. On the chatterbait. Okay, both the chatterbait ones have done this to me.
That's how you know the hook's.
There we go. Hopefully it's light enough for you guys to see this, but that's my 3rd one of the day. Hey, thank you. Daniel providing the flashlight. But on the chatterbait right out here, it's about to be too dark, but I figured that a white lure with some vibration would kill it. First cast, of course. Got him. Got him. Oh my.
This is a thunderstorm, dude. This ain't a thunderstorm. There are supposed to be thunderstorms.
There were thunderstorms earlier. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see me. They can see me. Daniel's being negative. But we're about to paddle back. We just finished up fishing here. Thanks again to Tryumph Max for hitting us up with this pond. It was pretty cool. We'll definitely come back again and try and catch some bigger ones. But yeah, this rainstorm is amazing. And it's getting dark. But those clouds don't look like thunder clouds, do they? They don't. Yeah, what's up? Say bye. Tell them to like and subscribe.
No.
Okay, like and subscribe. We're going. Bye. Peace, bros.